and the foundation keeps authentic pieces of cosmonauts to tradition. I want to greet you in one of the halls of our museum. I was in the territory of the headquarters, but a year later, after his tragic death, as you remember, he died on the 27th of March, 1968. Nothing changed. The furniture was taken from his authentic study and occupies the cosmonaut, well, Helen Sharman, performed the mission in 1991. It was made almost 25 years ago. For those who work together. So, of the training center, then 55 years since originated the Chief policies, yes, I'll be back up. Yuri Malenchenko. Then you try the it's also a sign on the small page, but it's separate page. Yeah. Thank you. Now I invite you. Right here you see some memorabilia brought from space by Helen Sharman. Have a look. Well, here you see the pennants on the flags and the covers which were taken by her and then delivered from space. The Polar Androgynous Docking Peripheral Unit. And at the background you see the flags, flown space flags. That's traditional. Just on the top of all the news which take place in space 38 days and nights. So that was the beginning, then together with Kazakh and Yuri, and then one more crew, Helena and Alexander. Right here in the middle you see in the collection, and Soyuz transportation vehicle 1/3 of the size.
Thank you.
Так, и два экипажа вместе, пожалуйста.
And both crews together, please.
Сейчас нас что польют.
Так, пожалуйста, внимание.
Attention, please.
You know, it's kind of an interesting and surreal experience right now. We're about 2 weeks from launch. We're getting ready to leave for Baikonur on Friday, here 2 days from now. And really that's the last stage, the final stage before we get into the rocket and lift off for the International Space Station. So I think that we're all ready to fly. We've been delayed a couple of months because of a progress mishap, but we got to spend that time resting and spending that time with family and doing a little final preparation. So, you know, when the rocket is ready, I think we're going to be ready to go. Very excited. This is kind of a lifelong dream for me that's coming true, and so I'm really excited to get up there and get to work. It has been a tremendous experience these past 2.5 years, getting to train with Oleg Kononenko, who's my Russian cosmonaut crewmate and is the commander of our Soyuz spacecraft, and then also training with Kimiya Yui, who's a Japanese astronaut and one of my classmates. So we started astronaut candidate training together. Funny enough, we spent most of our astronaut candidate training in the same small group going through various disciplines. So I've been training with Kimiya for a long time. He's a very good friend, and I'm so excited to get to experience this space flight with those two crewmates. I'm going to learn a lot. We have Scott Kelly, who's doing a 1-year mission right now and is going to have the most time in space of any American, and Gennady Padalka, who's you know, already beaten the all-time record for time in space. So those two guys, and along with the other folks that are up there, it's going to be a tremendous learning experience. And you know, this is not any sort of a personal accomplishment to get to do this job or to get to go to the space station. There's so many people involved, not just in training us to get ready to fly. You know, I've had hundreds of different instructors through all the various disciplines at all the various space centers helping me prepare to fly, but really throughout my life, just this path that has taken me here to get to this opportunity. Teachers, instructors, mentors, and colleagues that have really been a part of this journey, and I'm so grateful for that.